One topic in the Ensora Future of Therapy report that we're really excited for therapists to read is our section on artificial intelligence. On one hand, therapists are eager to practice at the top of their license and get relief from the administrative tasks that take them away from client care. On the other hand, there are fears, some of them really valid, about what AI might do inside a therapy practice. We were surprised to find that 40% of therapists said, yes, AI is being used for at least one task. Most commonly note-taking with an AI scribe, or scheduling appointments and sending appointment reminders. In the report, we detail all the ways that therapists say they are using AI, including not just administrative tasks, but also some clinical ones as well. We also asked about what will AI usage look like in therapy practices in the year 2030. And by then, a majority, 59%, say they will be using AI for at least one task, and likely more. And this makes sense. Trust is everything in healthcare, and especially in mental health care. And AI is a brand new technology. Trust in it is still being built. One surprising finding in the report is that it's not just the youngest therapists who are using AI. Across all age groups, adoption of AI is very similar. And it's actually the later career therapists who are using AI a bit more. The report also benchmarks the chief concerns that therapists have related to AI in their practice, and client data privacy and the potential for loss of human connection are at the top of their list. Overall, when you look at the report, I think you'll see some valid fears about what the implications of AI use might be, but also some genuine excitement about how day-to-day practice operations can improve. Download the Ensora Health Future of Therapy report today.